So if this particular video gets to your screen, I guess this is a trigger for you to actually start your own YouTube channel. Okay, I'll break this down because you might actually be thinking, why should I be a YouTuber? Is it compulsory? Right? It is not compulsory because it's not everybody that's going to be a YouTuber, we all said, but rather we have a lot of people on YouTube already, and why should I become a YouTuber? Okay, I will actually consider some other profession also. We have a lot of people in all other professions also, and why are people still going to school to actually become the same thing people are actually learning already, and they are still not getting the access to access the job, and more people are still coming at the back to be able to get the certificate and also struggle with the same people. So if you actually think about this in that particular format, you will not actually be thinking about, I can't start a YouTube channel because we have a lot of people right here. So in this particular video, I'm going to break this particular video down step by step, what you need to do and how you can actually have your mind thinking to actually start your own YouTube channel right now. You can see this is actually like a live video, and I might not going to edit anything except the sound, and I might just have to like adjust the sound a little to make it sound well to you, right? So if you can see the particular environment I'm using the natural daylight, like this is the natural daylight of this particular environment, and what I'm using alone is just my cell phone, which I'm holding to make this particular camera. You can see my hand interface right here, and also I'm currently using this as my microphone right here, just like a wireless microphone headset right now. And so you have a phone. If you're watching this particular video, obviously you should have a cell phone right there, and this particular cell phone can be used for this particular purpose also. Alright, so we are going to talk about the camera angle, editing and about. So but the first thing I wanted to put into consideration is like YouTube is actually an revenue to actually make some additional money, whatever you are doing in your life. It doesn't matter whatever profession you are currently into. If you actually have the mind and have the courage to actually start a YouTube channel in next few, like let's say in the next 6 months, there's a lot that's going to be changing in your life right here, because you are going to build courage, number one, and actually are going to build a sense of multitasking also, because if you actually see YouTubers out there, they actually benefit a lot right here. You become popular kind of, even if people are not watching a particular video. YouTube actually show a video to a lot of people, and they are actually going to be seeing your face day by day. With time, people are going to click and people are going to watch. That is something about YouTube, right? So enough of all those talk. How did you actually start this particular stuff right here? So I said earlier that you have your phone already, and all you need to do is just to go straight into the YouTube platform, then click on the icon YouTube logo, and I'm going to narrate everything. You can currently see this in a couple of my videos. So if you actually enjoyed this particular video, you see a reason to actually stay to watch more of my video, you can go ahead to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, because I'm going to be making some series of videos for you all, because this is a journey, this is a new journey I want to take a lot of people along with, and people that are very new views, that are not even knowledge about video editing, about handling camera, and about, we've actually seen a lot of video right here, and they've been jam-packed with a lot of video editing software, with a lot of sound, a lot of visual, and for you to actually think of doing this, you feel this is another skill on its own. Whereas yes, it is, people are actually doing that as a professional course and they are making their money. But with this particular words, you can actually get the value also. What people actually need on YouTube is information. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how quality of your camera is, this matter. So far they can hear what you are saying, and what you're actually saying brings value to their life, like can actually change things, right? We know the exchange of money is actually a solution. If you have a way to actually solve people's problem, the exchange of it is actually you getting some reward in money, in kindness, or thereabout. That is also how YouTube currently works. So YouTube is a way that you are going to see a lot of people are into. They just want to become a YouTuber willingly, and this doesn't affect your normal daily work right there. So if you're actually watching this particular video, I want you to actually think twice and let me know if you're actually going to be interested in starting a YouTube account. and I'm going to be building the community. Let's build the community together and let's start this, because I'm ready to actually help and I'm ready to support at this particular period. So I want to see you at the comment section of this particular video. Drop in the comment that I want to become a YouTuber, or how do we start. Any question you want to ask right there, you can currently ask, and I'm going to be adding to the question day by day, and the more I see. So I'm going to be making a series of videos about this. So the one you want me to make for you, like personal video, because I'm going to be replying to all messages right here, drop it at the comment section. Then if I make a video that I requested for, another person can learn from it, and that is how it actually goes. So think twice about being a YouTuber right now, because being a YouTuber is actually going to change a lot in your life. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.